Hey guys, it's Jaleisha and welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my birthday makeup. So if you want to see all the products I use and how I did it, then keep watching. So first I'm starting off by moisturizing my lips. I am working on my own product right now, so that's to be continued, but I'm just moisturizing. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation. I've already moisturized and primed. I'm using two foundations. I use my MAC and Maybelline. The MAC is a little too light, but I like the formula because it is good for oily skin. And I added the Maybelline because I am a little bit more tan, so this will allow the product to match perfectly to the rest of my body. To make sure everything is well blended, I'm going in with my beauty sponge by Real Techniques. This is to ensure that there are no streaks from the brush and our foundation is super flawless. And next I'm going in with concealer. I'm using the Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm using this to conceal and highlight under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. And to add a bit more brightness, I'm going to go in with another concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is just to add more brightness and to make sure our highlight is popping. And of course you want to blend that out. I'm just using the same sponge. To set everything, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm using the sponge to press that into my skin. And to set my foundation, I'm just using a bronzing powder and a big powder brush to set the areas where I did not highlight. Moving on to bronzer, I'm using MAC's Format Blush, and this is the perfect bronzer for my skin tone, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks and forehead. To contour, I'm going into my Tarteist and Makeupshayla contour palette, and I'm applying those two dark powders into the hollows of my cheeks, and I'll also use the edge of the brush to contour my nose as well. To make sure we are extra snatched, I'm going into the same powder to carve out my nose and cheek contour, and then we're going to be moving on to the eyes. I'm using my NYX gel liner. You can use any gel liner you want, and I'm creating a wing. You can even use liquid, it's your preference. You definitely want to take your time with the wing liner. Of course, this video is sped up, so it took me a while. But I'm just creating a thick liner, and then I'm also going to tightline so that way the eye look is super black and that our liner really stands out. So I always set my wing liner. This time I'm using a black shadow that has glitter in it, so it's really going to stand out and make the liner pop. You can use any black shadow you want, or you can use glitter. It is your preference. But after I'm done doing that, I'm going to dust away all my powder, and then we'll be moving on to lashes. For lashes, I'm using my IEnvy and Kiss lashes. These are from the beauty supply store. I've been obsessed, so I'm using these. And then I'm moving on to another product I've been obsessed with, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter. I'm sorry if y'all can hear Blue in the background, she's snoring. But I've been obsessed, and I'm just throwing on a Dose of Colors highlighter on top. This one's by Iluvsarahii, and I just wanted to lighten it up a bit. And then of course blush, can't forget that. And then for lips, I'm using a brown lip and a pinky nude sort of color. For the moment, everyone asks me about my skin. I'm using this Glow by Heated Beauty. I don't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box. And I'm just applying that to my décolletage and shoulders. that is what made my skin glow throughout the night and in photos. But you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something. Subscribe if you aren't. If you're not subscribed, like, I don't know why you aren't. Subscribe. Happy birthday to me. Subscribe. Speaking of birthday wishes, thanks to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.